Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to look at worksheet 3.3 and we'll begin the elimination method with the example 1 in page 2. Okay, alright, so here we are having a simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation means that there are two equations happening at the same time, and just nice when you have two equations and when you have two variable x and y, meaning you can find a set of x and y so that it will solve this thing. So we need to solve these two simultaneous equation using elimination methods. Now elimination method means we need to eliminate one of the variable in these two equation. So actually we can see that 3x and 3x, since they have the same coefficient, same number, we can eliminate them. Okay, so how do we eliminate them? Before we start, I will call this equation 1, I will call this equation 2. Okay, I will call this equation 1 and 2. Okay, and now in order to eliminate, I will have to take the first one minus the second one. So when I minus 3x and minus 3x, I will get a 0 in the end. Okay, so here what I need to do is I will have to write and present my answer like this. I have to take equation 1 minus equation 2, like that. Okay, so what do I get in the end? Now this equal sign will be on the left hand side, so whatever on the left will stay on the left, whatever on the right will stay on the right. So the first one minus the second one. So my first one, okay, minus the second line. Okay, so I'm putting it like this first. Then on the right hand side, I have a 17 minus 4. So the first one minus the second one. Alright, so let us simplify this. Okay, we actually just copy and paste to the next line, but we just need to simplify this. So we actually have, open the brackets, 3x plus 7y. Now this one I have to distribute inside the negative, minus this, minus that. Okay, so I will need a minus 3x and a plus 6y. 17 minus 4, 13. Okay, so the equal sign stay here, and I'm just simplifying the left hand side and the right hand side. Now simplify this even more. Let us rearrange. 3x, all the x together, all the y together, okay, equals to 13. Now this will be 0. 7y plus 6y, 13y will be equals to 13. Alright, so now 13 times what is 13? So y is equals to 1. Right, so we've got our first value. Now using this, okay, we can use this to input into equation 1 or equation 2. You can choose. So let me choose number 1 to work with. So what we write is sub this answer into equation 1. Okay, so I'm going to copy equation 1. 3x plus 7y equals to 17. Now y is 1, so 3x plus 7. Now the bracket, I put it here and I replace y with my answer 1. Okay, so let me simplify on the left hand side. 3x plus 7 equals to 17. Alright, now in order to find x, I will have to undo the plus 7 and undo the times 3. So if I remove the plus 7, meaning I need to minus 7 on both sides. So here would be 10, right? Then 3 times x is 10, so how do I undo the 3? I need to divide by 3, so 10 divided by 3. So my x will be 10 over 3, or 3 and 1 over 3. So here my final answer, okay, it will be good to write down the answer at one side. X is 10 over 3, okay, y is equals to 1. Okay, so now how do we check the answer? Okay, now how to check the answer? Okay, this part is up to you whether you want to copy or not. Now how to check the answer? Now let me use equation 1. Okay, so I have 3x plus 7y, and this is my left hand side. I need to check that the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. Left hand side, 3x, right? Y is 1. Okay, so I will simplify this. This will give me 17. The right hand side is also 17. So left hand side equals to right hand side. I'm good. Now if I want to be a bit more cautious and use number 2 again, right, let me try the left hand side again. Right, I have a 3x minus 6y. So 3x is 10 over 3, y is 1. Okay, so I will actually calculate to be 4. Use your calculator. Right hand side is also 4. So since left hand side and right hand side are the same, right, means that the x and y are the correct values, the correct solution. Okay, so so this is for example 1. We're going to look at another example, example 2. Okay, now using elimination method, solve the simultaneous equation. Now so let us do a really fast recap. Now y and negative y are zero pair. Okay, hence y plus negative y will give me a 0. Okay, y plus a negative y, meaning y minus y, will give me 0. So how do I eliminate one variable from here? Actually, if you observe, right, you have a minus y and a plus y. Okay, so if I were to add them together, I will actually come to 0. Okay, so now same thing, we are going to have equation 1, equation 2, right? Now we need to add them so that my y will become 0. Then I can eliminate my y. Okay, so here I'm going to put equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, so equal sign here. So I'm going to take my first one. Okay, I'm going to take my first one plus my second one. Right, then equal in the middle. Then first one plus my second one. Okay, now let me open up this bracket and simplify. 3x minus y plus 2x plus y. 12 plus 13. Right, rearrange this. Okay, 3x plus 2x minus y plus y equals to 25. So 3x plus 2x, 5x. Negative y plus y give me 0. Okay, so I already eliminate y at this step. Okay, so I'm left with x. So 5 times what is 25? So x will be equals to 25. Okay, now next, using this answer, sorry, x will be equals to 5. Right, using this answer, I'm going to put into either 1 or 2, up to you. Okay, so for this case, I'm going to put at 2, up to you. Actually, it's up to your choice. Right, so I substitute my first answer into equation number 2. So here I copy down the equation number 2. Alright, so here 2x plus y equals to 13. X is 5. Alright, so this will be 10 plus y equals to 13. 10 plus what is 13? Y is equals to 3. Right, so my final answer is x is equals to 5, y is equals to 3. Okay, so if you realize in the previous example, okay, plus 3x and 3x, we are eliminating this 3x. Okay, when they have the same number, we minus to eliminate. So 3x minus 3x, 0. 7 minus a negative 6, so I get 13y. Okay, so we'll actually get rid of this. Now for the second question, now even though it's 1y and 1y, but it's a minus 1y and a plus 1y. Okay, so when we add them together, the negative y plus a y will give you a 0. So this one will give you 0, and 3x plus 2x will give you 5x. So if we eliminate the y by adding, right? So here we come to a simple rule where to add or subtract equation, right, depends on the sign of your coefficient, right? So when we have a different sign, we add. When we have the same sign, we subtract. So here, when we have a different sign, we add to eliminate this y. When we have the same sign, in the example 1, we minus, okay, to eliminate the 3x. So one last time, refer to this. Different sign we add, same sign we subtract. Okay, so this is all for the first part of the video. The next video, we're going to look at the other 2 examples that you did the other day. Right, so thank you very much.